Good job.
Oh, you put that there.
Don't swear on camera.
Don't swear on camera.
I didn't realise you were filming me.
Good morning, Fenlanders. How are we doing? Good afternoon, Fenlanders. How are we doing? I'm Daniel. Welcome to Fenland Farming Adventures. Got the whole clan here today. Look, Martin's here, Bailey's here. He's holding up the fort, doing some work. Mrs. Farmer.
Watching him.
Mrs. Farmer making tea. Right, me and Martin going to pick up a new toy.
We're going on a Fenland adventure.
Fenlander adventure. See you guys in a minute. Do we have to go in the Massey?
No, we can change track for a bit.
Let's swap them over. Leave these two building the HQ.
Dirty now.
Don't know, I've been sat in the shed since you bought it, innit?
No, it's been out almost once a month-ish.
Had a little outing.
Longest drive it's had.
That's a start. Right. This is a new one for the books, isn't it? Don't see much red paint around here.
No, you can't afford red paint.
Ready?
Oh, no cars for 10 minutes.
Yeah, we've hit a traffic jam. You can't swear on here, Squeak. You can't swear.
Well, you can't film, one or the other.
Yeah, or you can't
You
film.
don't film.
Yeah.
That's what I'd have thought.
So here we are.
Swearing.
Jesus. What are you rating of that then? You've had it running, didn't you?
Yeah, you seen the video?
I think you were going to send it to me and never did, because I said I believe you. Or did you show me here? I can't remember,
You
mate.
sent it to me.
Did I?
Yeah, so I think you got it.
That's whatever, isn't it? Did it take one battery?
24 volts.
Yeah. Yeah, I got one battery at the yard that I know is sort of okay. I've got two at the minute. I've got two.
Link wire, I think the link wire went on someone else.
I bet that takes some cranking over, doesn't it? You want some...
Yeah, I can do it. They're not terrible.
Right.
It's just, look good in a great turkey. I've turned it around. Yeah. Turns it on, but don't turn it off. Right. Somebody. Check something. Yeah. Let's shoot fire straight up.
Right. Where does the other battery go? Oh, we got to have a link.
Yeah. No,
that's fine. I've got some link.
Yeah, that's a blow back in it, because like I say, it leaks. It's got a little seat there.
That side of the head gasket.
Yeah. It's just a little seat, but...
Yeah. And that head will come off anyway. That head only goes down to there, doesn't it? Or does it go to there? Where's the head?
There.
Yeah, there.
Just your aim gallery. Well, at least we've got oil pressure, that's fine.
Already got oil pressure.
Oil pressure's good. Stuck.
We're on. I take you fill it up with diesel there.
I'll get some rag and shoving them off.
Yeah, that's diesel. I thought that was a cap there for a minute. I can't wait. Look at the size of the turbo. Look at the size of the exhaust. It's just really, really massive. It's got a slight weep in the head gasket there somewhere, so that does need doing, but nothing beyond mine. Maybe we'll put a hose in the for that.
Huh?
Just antifreeze, I think, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah, that's the Poland jacket, that fits out there.
Yeah. That ain't gonna be light either, is it? We're on, wait.
Yeah.
Yeah. Ow!
blame, there's a claim.
Yeah, there is, yeah. While we're in here being nosy, we bought our harvester and then Squeak bought this for even less money. Like, man, you knob. There's a lot more room under here with a big wheel on. Lot more room under here. Our track, obviously this thing sits a couple of foot lower. You know mine, this sits here somewhere, doesn't it? So, she is raised up. Well raised up. Christ. Yeah, it's all different to mine. Mine ain't got the rams in here. Or has it? I can't remember. Cool. I'd want a bit more pin sticking through there if I was Squeak, I think. But yeah, lovely. He's obviously busted his steps off, or somebody's busted his steps off for him, and he's gone and made himself some new ones. Awesome. I like. Who else likes looking around people's farmyards? Being nosy. Right. Do you want to check the water?
Yeah, we'll check the water and we'll find a good fix somehow, somewhere.
That's a long way up there, isn't it? Do you want to get the irrigator out and fill it up? I'll go get my water can. Who said it's seeping out a little bit? Well, hopefully it won't take a lot, mine.
Well, definitely oil's good.
Yeah. God, I don't even want to think how much oil it holds. Mrs. Farmer, what am I, water can? Mrs. Farmer's in there doing some painting for the HQ. Ugh.
I've had engines smaller than that injection pump.
yeah, I bet you have. Right, I have got to clamber up there, haven't I?
You're going to go for it, are you?
Yeah, I just got to try and figure out how to get up there without. I don't want to
damage anything.
That's plastic. I don't want to stand on that. That's not. That's good. It's
Do you want a camera that's heavier?
Yeah, that one's flushing out. I can see all the crud and stuff in the top there.
There's just water in here, is it?
Yeah. If you can get it to me, Marty. Yeah. So you don't need to run it for long, do we? This radiator wants flushing out, so. Sorry.
It's raining.
I think some of it's going in.
Brimmed?
Yeah, we are full. Like I say, you'll have to just get an antifreeze tester or whatever. two cans of antifreeze in it, wouldn't it?
That's your throttle.
Right.
He said you got to pull this one to stop it, didn't he?
Yeah.
Do we open up the panel and make sure there's no wires touching any of the panel?
You're all should be live now, shouldn't you?
Yeah, I know, but if there's any of them live alternator wires touching this canopy,
Yeah.
that could be a bit shocking.
What's that? Is that a
It's a lift pump.
yeah, lift pump?
Don't lift it.
I'm just going to pump it a couple of. Don't hear that. That's what I done yesterday. Man down. Go on, I'll let you swear on camera.
No, that's the time not to swear.
Yeah.
Oh, flip.
Yeah, I done that yesterday. What a prize-winning twait.
Well, we really ought to have a look in this cupboard.
Yeah.
Make sure we're not going to get dead.
There's a lot of voltage there, isn't there?
There's, yeah.
Well, I mean, Squeak's had it running, so you're away.
Right.
Oh.
Gland. Right, so there are lives in, lives across to them. So,
They're not
what?
They're not bolted in.
No, they're not, because that's where you wire it out to wherever you're going to wire it to. Don't really want to touch them. Because capacitor's holding charge. They are not touching anything they shouldn't be.
Yeah, okay.
Do we need this open or
I just
you can just go for it?
now what do you do?
Well, in theory, we just press start.
All of them want to fix to 0, don't they? No power there whatsoever, is there? You don't have to turn that on for power, do you?
No.
That should just be to charge them.
That takes it out of that.
Squeak.
Well, if they're both on,
Yeah, hang on. I wonder if the batteries are knackered. Them batteries have been sat there for. They've been sat there for a while, Martin. Moment of truth. Bit of throttle.
No smoke, have we?
Huh?
We've got no smoke.
Now you got power
That's
to it.
in.
Yeah.
That went wrong. So this should release it, hopefully. Yeah.
Let's hope so. No smoke.
See what I told you not to.
Yeah, I bet that holds 40 litres of oil in there. But then it would do, it's massive, isn't it?
Do we crack an injector or not bother?
Yeah, we could do. If you got your spanner up there, I can turn it over while you... Anything?
Nope.
No, nothing. That's the stop solenoid, isn't it?
Yeah.
So that's maybe that's what he. There's no fuel in there at all, so that stop solenoid switches it off, then, isn't it? No, that should be down, shouldn't it?
Don't know, hold it up.
Go on in. No diesel or nothing there, is there? So we were playing Russian roulette with the rugby boys, watching the rugby. What did we have? Water and Sambuca.
Oh.
Water and vodka was the two choices of shots. And then it was tequila and apple juice. I got a tequila and I haven't been right since. I've not been myself. Sweeter than that, Martin.
Will be in a second.
And you didn't get electrocuted?
Not yet. Right, in a minute. Right, let's turn that back to on. No, it isn't.
Wide angle. It's a bit hot. It's a big old motor, isn't it? Anything?
What we lost?
Battery's not on fire the other side, are they? Bit of water coming out there.
Don't know where it's coming from.
It's not out of the head gasket.
No, it's this pipe.
Oh, right.
It's that water feed pipe.
Oh, okay.
Just gone on it.
Yeah, okay. So it's been in the shed most of the time, I think.
Oh, we lost a go.
They hot?
It's only this one, but that lead out to make up these quickly. I don't know if we fried this patch lead.
Yeah, that's why there's such spark in there, Martin, wasn't it? So see if we can get a little bolt or something in there. And... Got it though, innit? Tell me it's fried that battery. Little love tap. No. Oh yeah, okay Martin, you got a wiring issue in there, yeah. What a beauty! Global warming, eh? Yeah. That sounds lovely, doesn't it? Sounds real nice. Sounds really nice. We got no oil pressure.
We'll probably have that gauges bit.
Yeah, well, it got oil pressure yesterday when it weren't running, wasn't it?
Yeah, that's tap it to get the needle back down. So.
You know it runs, Martin. So that's the main thing, isn't it? Sounds lovely.
I've got some oil pressure.
Turbo it up, baby.
Yep.
Right, that's a successful day then, Martin. We've done our ditching. We've got our Rolls-Royce engine running.
Yep.
Happy days. Batteries off. Back in the shed. You can try and transport it home.